Skip the safe pick and ask whether this 16-hour fantasy actually earns its heat. A Court of Thorns and Roses by Sarah J.
Maas throws faerie into a dangerous fairy world, and the question is not just what happens next, but whether the romance and tension are strong enough to carry the whole ride. My verdict: this is closer to a high-heat fantasy escape than a tidy adventure, and that is exactly why people either love it or bounce off it. If you want crisp pacing and a lean magical plot, this is probably not the cleanest choice. But if you want romance, danger, and fairy lore wrapped together, Sarah J. Maas knows how to make that mix feel big and glossy. The setup is simple and effective. 19-year-old faerie kills a wolf, gets pulled into a treacherous magical land, and discovers her captor is not quite the beast she expected. From there, the book leans hard into shifting feelings, slow burn tension, and a growing shadow in the fairylands. Jennifer Ikeda's narration gives the audiobook a polished, immersive feel, and at 16 hours and 7 minutes, it asks for real commitment. My honest take is that this is a mood listen, not a background listen. If the idea of icy hostility turning into fiery passion sounds appealing, this will work for you. If you want the fantasy first and the romance second, I would look elsewhere. If you want to test it without much risk, Audible has a 30-day free trial with a wide catalog, and you can cancel anytime. The exact availability of A Court of Thorns and Roses can change, so check the link in the description before you commit. Worst case, you get through a full audiobook for free and learn whether this kind of fantasy romance is your lane. Either way, that is a pretty clean deal.